Hey, what's going on guys? This is a tech sport and today I'll be showing you how can you get Saavn Pro for free on your unrooted Android device. So guys, without further ado, let's get started.
To get Saavn Pro for free on your device without root, you will just need some step-by-step guide. So first of all you have need to do open up Play Store and download the Saavn free app from the Play Store. Here Saavn Music and Radio, click it and install. To my step, you will be always get the latest version crack and the premium Saavn with the latest version. This is the version 5.6 at this moment. This is uploaded on February 16 2017 and today is March 26. So if it will be updated, then I will need to uninstall it and reinstall and patch. So it will be quite a bit easy, not so hard, just learn how to do it. So open up the Saavn app and it will be obviously say choose something, yep, Hindi and English. Okay, it done, and it will be just rearrange all of those things with my chooses language. So on the menu, as you can guys see, free user not logging with account, don't need to log in, just exit out from the background, remove all of your app, open up your internet browser. So when you are on your internet browser, all you have need to do, open up this link on the description below. I am give this link, and on here just scroll down, and here as you can see Lucky Patcher APK, and the version is 6.4.7. this is the latest version at this moment. Click on download Lucky Patcher APK, and on here click here to download, just click here to download it. And after you download, go to your setting, go to more security and enable this unknown source and click OK. Yep, now install the Lucky Patcher and open it, and after you open it for the first time, it will be just load some package. So then just click this Saavn app. As you can see, in my case it will be on the top, and click on open menu of patches. And guys, this is for unrooted device. Okay, so on here click APK rebuild for in-app and level emulator, and click on reveal the app and wait for it done. So guys, it will be take some time. So after it will be finished, you will be just present with this patch result and patch pattern and 1 success, patch pattern and 2 success. Just simply click on OK, and now you don't need to this Lucky Patcher, just exit out it and open up your any of file manager you have. In this case I have my default my file, and go to your device storage and go to the Android data, and on here find this folder. This is android com.android.vending.billing in-app billing service.log. This is the Lucky Patcher folder, and click on file, here Lucky Patcher, click on modify it and click on Saavn. So just back it. So now we have the modified version, so we don't need the original version anymore. So just uninstall. Before I uninstall, just let's see the 1 month no discount price. The month rate is $3.99 and 1 month total $3.99. Okay, so now uninstall, and after I install the modified version, I will be show you this result. After it will be installed done, just click on done, and now on here as you can see the Saavn, click on it, and again this process is done, and again say free user. So don't worry guys, just click on login, just login with your one of those or sign up with your email. So I am already signed up with email, so I am click on login and just logging.
So guys, after I am logging with my account, as you can just see my name, and this is the free user. So
on the top click on the setting,
just click on try Saavn Pro, and I am already used this 7 days free trial or something like that. Now see, your month rate is 0.54, no dollar, no euro, no money. Just click on continue, and the down as you can see 1 month for 0.54. on here Google Play auto renew, just click it. In-app purchase hack, obviously click on yes, giving us a second to process. Now here say your transmission was unsuccessful, please relaunch the app or try again later. Don't worry, just close this app, reopen, click on the menu icon, and as you can guys see Pro. Now I am running the Pro version of this Saavn, so let's show you. Click on the setting icon, and as you can see, look at how much days is left. It is something like 1 billion or 1 trillion day left. So as you can see, now here trim quality super duper high, and let's play some song to test it. as you can just see. So it will work. So guys, after the hack will be done or done the work, if you want, then you can uninstall the Lucky Patcher app from your device if you don't need again. So that's it for in this video tutorial. I hope you will be enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, and if you dislike it, then dislike the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and also like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and also add us on Google Plus. And as always guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.